we were to review the Pilates, the body motions are still the same. The thing I think that becomes critical about this is that you want to make sure that your weight is on your heels more than your toes so that you don't accidentally fall into this downhill skier situation. And then you're going from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Now in underhand, the easier direction is going up because this is in spin, but then you're going to have like a little, what feels like a hiccup here where your pointer out and then another one down here. And if I were to break it down a little bit more specifically, I would say your arm is in full extension going up, but there's going to be a little elbow bend to push it out, and then an elbow bend to pop it down. Then swing it up, elbow bend out and down with another elbow bend, right? So let's do just 20 of those, and we'll do them a little slower than the actual pace, but I want to make sure that you're focused on not this part so much, but pump it out, pump it down. Swing up, 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 pump it out, pump it. So I want you to focus on never actually stopping and continuing a fluid motion so that it's when you pump up, then you pump down, you immediately swing all the way to the top, then pump out and then pump down. I said pump up and then out. Okay, so we'll try 15 more of those. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing up, pump out, pump down. Swing up, pump out, pump down. Swing up, pump out, pump down. Swing up, push it out even farther and down. Pump up and out and then down. Swing up, pump out, pump down. Swing up, pump out and 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 down. 4 more and out and down and up and out and down. 2 more, out and down. Last one, out and down. We're going to go up and out and down. Up and out and down. Okay, let's try 20. And 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12,